In this video, we will see how to place an order on the website DriveTubePro.com and how to track your order. First, open Google and search for DriveTubePro.com. You will see a homepage like this. Now sign in with your personal email. After a successful sign in, go to the shop page. Here you will find different products. Select the one you want. In this video, I am going to order the Entry-Level ATS Resume. Carefully fill in your details without any mistakes. There are two ways to submit your order. If you have your old resume, you can upload it here. If you don't have your old resume, check the I don't have my old resume checkbox. Then you will see a form like this. Fill it out properly without any mistakes. After submitting your form or resume successfully, you can proceed with the payment using any of the available payment methods. Here I am using Razorpay. Don't forget to apply a coupon if you have one. I am applying a coupon here and completing the payment. Once the payment is successful, you can track your order from here. You will see different status. Received when the team receives your order. Accepted when the team reviews and accepts it. Started when the team begins working on your resume. Frozen if the team encounters any issues. In that case, you will see Action Needed button. Click on it and resolve the issue. Once the issue is sorted, the status will update back to accepted and the team will complete your order. After a final review, to ensure your resume meets all requirements, they will deliver it. You will see a download button. Click it to download your resume. Extract the zip file and view your PDF and docx files. And don't forget to leave a review.